Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. I'm sure you had a nice expiry. Today was very excellent expiry. In fact, social media everywhere it is green because today if you see India VIX dropped by more than 4.5%, and the movement there was movement. In fact, if you are following us, or if you have seen yesterday's video, I told that Nifty that 17,750 or 17,900 is a resistance and support. The interesting fact today is that Nifty touched both the points. So it is very interesting. Still FIIs are net sellers and still FIIs have huge short position, but they have unwinded some amount of index short futures. So we'll see about that. We'll see about the markets also. We'll see what is going to happen going forward, Nifty and Bank Nifty. Before that, let me tell you, please do consider joining our Telegram channel. We have a very vibrant Telegram channel where we discuss many things. In fact, today morning I shared many things what is going to happen in the market price action. We discuss many things in this forum. So it's a vibrant forum. So if you want, you can join, for which the link is on the description below. Right now, let's go to the markets. Right, so this is the Bank Nifty chart. Even though Nifty was performing, Bank Nifty was not performing at all, right? And you know the reason. None of the banking stocks were performing, and it was only Nifty which was performing. And if you see Bank Nifty, IDFC First was down by 1.5%, AU Small Finance Bank, PNB, Punjab National Bank, Federal Bank, Axis Bank, HDFC was not performing at all. SBI was performing. And when it comes to Nifty, I think it was Bajaj Finance. Sorry, it is not Bajaj Finserv. It is Bajaj Finance, Asian Paints, IndusInd Bank, ONGC, Tech Mahindra, Power Grid Corporation all contributed to this movement which we saw in Nifty. Plus, we are having a positive global cues. Right now, you have to note here that in spite of US futures or US market going down yesterday, I think at one point it was down by more than 200 or 250 points. I'm talking about Dow Jones. In spite of that, we opened flat, and when US future is in the green, we are moving on the upward direction. So that is the amount of resilience we are having. I'm talking about Indian market. We are too good at resilience, and resilient, we don't want to come down. Now, if you see the Nifty chart, I'll show you the Nifty chart first. So whatever line I have drawn is yesterday's line. I have not done anything. I have not altered anything. I have not touched this. So you can see that yesterday itself I told 17,750 level would be a very, very good support. And as today morning, immediately when the market opened, Nifty touched 17,750 levels. Now at that point of time, I thought maybe bears will win. It will go towards 17,700 levels. But to my surprise, what happened is market reversed. There was a V-shaped recovery in Nifty, and market inched up towards 17,850 levels. Now this orange line is at 17,850 levels. It was tested twice intraday. I'm talking about intraday. That is around 10:30 it tested, then came down, then again it tested at 11:30. Came down. Finally, it was around 2 o'clock. Nifty was able to go towards 17,900, and it closed exactly at 17,880 or somewhere. Now this is a crucial resistance. I am saying this is a crucial resistance. Now what is going to happen tomorrow is probably markets are going to gap up, because US future, whether it is Dow Jones, Nasdaq, S&P, all three are trading in the green, and of course this Europe is also all in the green. So we might see a gap up tomorrow. So what is going to happen if the market gap ups? Next stop is around 18,000 levels. Now you can see here I have drawn a line around 18,000 levels, right? So 18,000 level is a very crucial resistance. 1st of February we saw a rejection, major rejection. Then we knew what happened. From 18,000 market came all the way to around 17,400 levels. That too in just one trading session, one or two trading session. So 18,000 is always a good resistance. So on 25th, not even 25th, we saw around 16th of January there was a price action. Then 6th of January there was a price action. 11th of January we saw a price action. So lots of price action is happening around 18,000 level. So 18,000 might act as a resistance. So I'm not saying it is going to be rejected or it is not. I'm not going into argument. Market is after touching 18,000 it may come down. I'm not saying that. Market has to sustain. If market has to go towards 18,400 or 18,600 level, it has to sustain above, it has to break 18,000 barrier. Now we have broken the 17,900 barrier. Next immediate barrier is at 18,000. Once 18,000 is taken out, we'll see what is going to happen. That is whole different ball game. And when it comes to Bank Nifty, what is happening is Bank Nifty was kind of moving zigzag today. Neither it touched 41,100, which was a crucial support, or it went to 41,500, right? So Bank Nifty is not 500, for 41,600, 700 levels, right? 700 levels. So it is sitting in between, right? 41,500. Support is at 41,100 and resistance is at 41,700. So it was Nifty which was performing and Bank Nifty was not performing because heavyweights, there were no support from heavyweights. And this when I talk about Nifty 18,000, this is clearly evident in open interest also, that there is a huge call rating happening at around 18,000 levels. So from that you can understand that smart money is writing more calls at 18,000, right? See, I'm telling you again, I'm not going into argument whether 18,000 is going to be taken out or not. What people are doing, that we are talking here. So, right, so 18,000 people have returned good amount of calls. In fact, to be precise, around 28 lakh contracts are still pending at 18,000. I'm talking about February 16th expiry, next expiry, not this expiry, next expiry. This expiry is done. Next expiry, I'm talking about the around 28 lakh open interest is pending at 18,000. And when it comes to Bank Nifty, 42,000 is having the highest open interest. And if you see the charts also, Bank Nifty chart also, there is a huge resistance at around 42,000 levels. So you can understand, you can connect the dots, right? So if you want to go long in Nifty or Bank Nifty, let 18,000 cross, you write some put options. Or if you want to go long in Bank Nifty, let it cross around 42,000, then you can write some puts, right? So maybe we will go long, looking at the global cues, looking at the markets, looking at the index short unwinding from FIIs, we can realize, or we can see that market wants to go up, right? So this is about the chart. And when it comes to market FII data, what FIIs have done is they have reduced the short position. They have reduced the index short position in future index shorts. They have reduced the short position in index. Now yesterday, if you see our video, yesterday's data till 7th, they had around 1,36,600 active short contracts in future. Now as of today, and this is if I am telling today, this is end of the day data, right? As of yesterday end of the day data, it is reduced from 1,36,000 to 1,26,000. So they have reduced their short position significantly, not even significantly, lightly. So you can understand that market wants to go up till when they want. Till where they want to take the market, how they are going to take, that is a whole different ball game. I'm not going into that. So as of now, you may go long, don't try to short the market. So this is what we are seeing. And when it comes to FII, what is that? When it comes to this FII activity, let me check. I forgot where this. Yeah. When it comes to FII daily activity, I think cash provision, let me check if the data has come. No, cash provision, still now data has not come. Time is around 6:15. Till date, last 30 days, FIIs are net sellers. That's why I told in the beginning of the video, FIIs are net sellers. This last 30 days alone, they have sold around 40,000. 378 crores worth of stocks. Last 2 weeks, 24,000 or 25,000 crores worth of stock, and last 1 week alone, they have sold 8,512 crores worth of stock. And yesterday also they are net sellers. They have sold 736 crores worth of stock. So you can understand it is DIIs who are helping the market to sustain. If it is not DIIs, maybe we would have gone down. And when it comes to other things, you know what is happening to Adani. Adani stock again fell badly today, around 10%. It lost more than 10%. Such a volatility. I don't know, people, if you are trading in Adani, I really don't know how you are handling Adani. Today alone, it lost around 11%. Day before yesterday, it lost around 23%, 25%. Then yesterday, it gained around 23%, and today it has lost 11%. Adani Enterprises, Adani Green Energy, Adani Ports and Special Economic Zone, Adani Power, Adani Total Gas, Adani Transmission, Adani Wilmar, Ambuja Cement, including Ambuja Cement. I think Adani Wilmar did not lose yesterday. It was up. Today it was up by 5%. Apart from Adani Wilmar, all the Adani stocks from ACC to Ambuja Cement, everything lost heavily, not heavily, around 5 to 10%, right? So this is how the markets are. I hope I have summarized everything. I'll see you in another video. Till then, take care. Bye.